Alright, YouTube viewers, in the midst of me cleaning out the garage, another one of my packages arrived today. This is a 36-inch Challenger industrial ceiling fan. Now you may be wondering, I've never seen this before, because this is basically the 36-inch version of the 60-inch. There's also a 56-inch, and Charles owns a 48-inch. This is the very first fan that I've found like this, or I think anyone's found, that's a cast 36-inch, basically Dayton leading edge. It's a cast aluminum motor, cast aluminum blades, steel brackets. The plastic ring is actually still intact, no breaks, and it's definitely made the same way as the other ones, because if you look underneath it, you can still see some of that teal base coat they use. Super solid fan. Here's our tag, Challenger, and then it has a giant H square. There's another tag right to Campy. I'll just include a photo at the end of the video, basically telling you more information about the confirmed 36-inch fan. Both Campies are metal. This fan is clearly, like I said earlier, Dayton 70s, 80s. And it's just all kinds of cool, because like I said, no one knew they made this. I know they made 36-inch ring fans. This is the first iteration of a cast aluminum motor, a cast Dayton 36-inch. I'm just speechless. This thing's awesome. So we've gotten on the Dayton 3-amp speaker. Let me get over here real fast. Let's put it on low. Oh. All the way in the other end started. Where do you start? Where do you start? Where do you start? Right there? Let's see if it keeps going. So it doesn't work on full low. This fan is as is. I haven't checked the capacitor or anything. It seems like it runs properly. I'll probably get my meter on it later on. So yeah. The motor is basically the same size as the 56-inch cast Dayton. Might be a little bit thinner. Bit of a wobble on low. Let's go ahead and put it on full high speed. Turn the hunter off. As you can tell, it runs with no issues. I really think the capacitor is just fine in this fan. I mean, this thing flies very well balanced. There's a bunch of here, basically a small helicopter. Puts out a good amount of air actually too. So needless to say, this fan will not be for sale. Yeah. And the funny thing is, I just got the rim itch to look on eBay at some saved listings, and this popped up. Let me go ahead and do spin down while I'm talking. Sorry about the view. Ow. Got a bunch of Fanimation stuff here because I've got nowhere else to keep it right now. So this fan was actually off of eBay. So anyone could have gotten it. I think it was only listed maybe for 2 days when I found it. And it was under the listing Vintage Hunter Ceiling Fan. Very interesting listing. The only reason I could think that they called it Hunter because it did have it had a Hunter bouncing kit for some reason with it. Don't know why, but it did. It's clearly not Hunter though. So yeah. And the bearings are super smooth. There's not a single issue with this fan. Only issue honestly would be the down rod, that it's losing paint. That's easily fixable. So yeah. These are very cool. So now we know they make a 36 inch. We know they make a 48 inch. We've known about 56 and 60 inch. The only size we technically have not found of these is the very elusive 72 inch known as the Magnum. So, it'd be interesting to see if we find one of those. So we're going to go ahead and call a video here. Thanks for watching.